treasure hunt.
So
Treasure.
it's a hot day, you got a cold beer, and Mark's off to go find miniature people.
Yeah, these are little miniature guys that are...
Okay, you go do that.
If you ever visit the Dutch city of Leeuwarden and see groups of people staring intensely at cracks in the sidewalk or the walls, don't worry. They're just looking for the city's smallest residents.
Wait, right there. Oh my God, isn't that great?
Welcome to Miniature People Leeuwarden.
There he is.
Hidden all over the city center are dozens of tiny scenes, like miniature construction workers or little families hanging out on windowsills. The giant behind this tiny universe is local photographer Michel Tilma. In 2019, he turned his love for macro photography into a permanent citywide art project, gluing his miniature models to public spaces for everyone to enjoy. You can grab a physical route map for €2 at local visitor centers. Every cent goes right back into funding repairs, turning a standard afternoon stroll into a real-world scavenger hunt.
And she said, yeah, they have QR codes, so you can actually scan it to find out. Very cool. Did you find it already? You already found it?
Person sleeping on a bench.
Aw, cool.
It's a nice little village there.
It's camping.
Oh, it's so cool.
It's camping. So, but you're tired, but you want to keep hunting little people.
I really do. I want to find as many of these little miniatures as I can possibly find right now.
Guess what? There's 2 by the prison where we're spending the night.
Really?
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Pretty spider web.
See it.
Maybe it's missing. Things fun to do. Yeah.
Probably drive people crazy who live here.
I was thinking that. Maybe they took it down because there's a QR
There
code.
it is. Remember.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, wow. That looks so real.
I say that could be a ladder, but no, that's not it.
No. You see them everywhere now. Look for QR codes, I guess. Ah, Mark. Oh no, that's a leaf.
There we go. Nice.
Who's a contemplative businessman?
Yeah.
There are a couple of them?
And we got this and this little nook here, and you got this little guy.
Oh, neat. That is so cool. Help, I've fallen and I can't get up. I think Mark's starting a scrapbook.
We just passed
That's 18, yeah.
2018's got to be over here on this side.
It would look like it was 9.
Oh, QR code. Got it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, lovers on a park bench with. Does she have a camera and she's watching them?
I don't know.
Just keep your eyes on the ground, or you might just walk past a masterpiece.